If a torrential downpour lasted 2 million years, you might think it would flood the entire Earth. However, the actual consequences were far more surprising than anyone could have imagined. The extreme climate not only led to the extinction of some species, but also propelled the dinosaurs to the throne of Earth's dominance. This is the astonishing Carnationian event. Back in the Triassic period, Earth was a spliced-together supercontinent called Pangaea. Because the plates were so tightly joined together, its vast surface area made it difficult for water vapor from the ocean to cross such a vast landmass. As a result, the land was extremely arid during this period. Vegetation on most of the landmass was extremely short due to the lack of water. In such a dry and harsh environment, land animals also grew relatively short. Volcanic activity was frequent at the time. Initially, the oceans were rich in algae, which helped balance the Earth's carbon dioxide levels. Until the eruption of the Langya volcanoes, each eruption released hundreds of millions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This not only led to the increasing acidification of the oceans, severely inhibiting the growth of algae, but also triggered a severe greenhouse effect, causing global temperatures to rise by 4 to 8 degrees Celsius, far exceeding the impact of current global warming. Finally, 230 million years ago, when Earth's temperature reached a critical point, atmospheric circulation suddenly erupted. A scorching, chaotic storm began to sweep across the globe, bringing with it ocean currents laden with moisture and plunging into the dry continent. The persistently humid climate not only ensured a constant year-round downpour, but also radically altered the landscape of the continent in just a few decades. Once dwarf vegetation mushroomed, transforming the arid land into an oasis. Short, grass-munching animals, which evolved in response to the drought, gradually became extinct, unable to adapt to the changing environment. Ferns and gymnosperms, which thrived, flourished, creating an ecological niche for emerging species like dinosaurs. This 2 million-year-long rainfall event, seemingly devastating, actually served as a reset button for Earth's ecology. It ended the Triassic drought, allowing life to escape the extremes of the environment. Even more unexpectedly, it gave rise to the dinosaur empire, which dominated the Earth for 160 million years.